Thank you for your interest in the Surgical Technology program at Western Dakota Tech. Surgical technologists are considered subject matter experts in the principles of asepsis and the application of sterile technique. We work closely with surgeons, surgical assistants, operating room nurses, and anesthesia providers to create and maintain a comforting and safe surgical environment. My name is Jade Hollister, and I have been practicing as a certified surgical technologist for 10 years. Throughout my career, I have been able to gain experience in multiple surgical specialties and continue to work as needed at a local surgical facility. I began instructing in 2016 and enjoy sharing my passion for the field with students. I am also very involved with our professional organization, participating at both a local and national level.
My name is Krista Hageman. I have been working as a certified surgical technologist for 10 years and have experience in multiple surgical specialties. I began teaching for Western Dakota Tech in 2017, where I enjoy sharing my knowledge with ambitious students who have a passion to be part of this field. I continue to work PRN as a surgical technologist to keep up on my skills and learn about the latest trends and techniques, cascading them back to the classroom. Surgical technologists are responsible for multiple tasks in the operating room setting, which include but are not limited to creating and maintaining a sterile field, passing instruments and supplies to the surgeon, anticipation, wound care, patient transfer and transport, and room turnover. Jade and I work together to fulfill the mission of the Surgical Technology program in providing our students with the knowledge, skills, and dedication to be successful surgical technologists. The associate degree program prides itself on preparing students with the tools needed to enter the workforce with confidence and achievement. The program includes 60 credits spread over 4 semesters or 18 months. In addition to a dynamic offering of general education courses, there is a broad range of technical skills that students receive. These include not only learning the fundamentals of surgical technology and the proper standards of practice, but students also gain a deeper understanding of surgical procedures and critical thinking skills to be successful in this field. To gain acceptance into the Surgical Technology program at Western Dakota Tech, applicants must submit the following paperwork and records listed. Once the AccuPlacer test and advising session is completed, a TEAS test is required with fees that apply. This test evaluates 4 areas: reading, math, science, and English and language usage, all which are vital for academic success. A minimum score of 60 is required for the Surgical Technology program.
The program instructors have a combined 20 years experience in the operating room. Both Krista and myself have worked locally throughout our careers, which has helped us establish community relationships. Krista and I both have extensive experience in multiple surgical specialties. In addition, Krista spent part of her career working directly for a neurosurgical clinic, providing her with insight into surgical screenings, insurance claims, and the patient rehabilitation processes. The program is guided by an industry-based advisory board to ensure that the education provided meets the needs of the community, the field, and the students. Industry members on the advisory board include current employers, surgeons, practicing surgical technologists, past students, and current students. You begin the hands-on portion of the program on day 1. Students begin immediately working in the lab to develop the skills needed to maintain asepsis, create a sterile surgical environment, differentiate surgical instrumentation, and build necessary interpersonal skills such as time management, teamwork strategies, and critical thinking skills. We work closely with students and facilities to find a clinical location that will work well for all involved. We currently have multiple clinical facilities located within the Black Hills, but we also have options in eastern South Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, North Dakota, and Nebraska. This allows students options that fit their needs. The WDT Surgical Technology program is accredited, which means that students can feel confident knowing that the program adheres to all standards and guidelines set forth by these accrediting agencies. Accredited programs must also follow a core curriculum, which ensures that students receive a well-rounded education covering all aspects of the surgical environment. Students who complete our accredited program take the NBS TSA certification exam to become a certified surgical technologist. We work diligently to prepare the students for the exam starting on the first day in the program, and we have had great results. The 2019 graduating class completed the exam with a 90% pass rate, while the 2020 graduating class earned a 100% pass rate. Upon completion of the program, you will immediately become an integral part of the surgical team, and you will get to experience an incredibly rewarding occupation in which you play a role in saving patients' lives. In addition, there are multiple options and workplace settings available, providing flexibility, opportunity, and job security. We again thank you for your interest in the surgical technology program at WDT and encourage you to contact either the admissions department, Krista, or myself with any questions you may have, or if you would like to schedule a campus tour. We look forward to hearing from you.